Hello beautiful family, good day and welcome back to the channel. This is Organic Skincare. In case you're coming across my video for the first time, you guys are highly welcome. So guys, today I want to drop this recipe for you guys. How you can make this strong whitening molato soap. So guys, this soap is going to whiten up your skin if you are looking up to whitening your skin. So guys, let's just go straight into the video. Number one recipe I have here on my list is your pink ozone soap. You need 4 pieces of your pink ozone soap. And then you need Kojic white soap 5, Larissa soap you need 6, Permanent soap you need 3, Clinic carrot soap you need 5, Nano half cast soap you need 5, Gluta max carrot soap you need 5, Ashanti soap you need 5, Skin free milk you need 3 bottles, Clinic perfect papaya soap you need 5, white now carrot soap you need, white glow carrot soap you need 5, citro clear oil 5, whitener serum you need 3, kojic dip 100 grams, alpha butane you need 100 grams, shower gel to soak the soap, your salicylic acid 50 grams, super white oil you need 4, betasol and your soap activator. So guys, this is all you need for this production. So how do we make this? Just you grate your soap in your bowl and then you soak it for 24 hours, then you add up every other materials and then your soap is done. You can make this, package and sell. So guys, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos and give your girl a good thumbs up. This guys support me to grow this channel. So guys, I will see you in my next video.